Hey folks, it's Tony again. Today we're going to identify some more perennials. This one is a peony. I have 3 different colors of these. When they get bigger, there'll be a big mounding perennial. I have the white, the dark pink, and the light pink ones. The leaves are all very similar. They look pretty much like that. Then we have, this is a speedwell. This is the actual leaf of it. It has a white flower on it. It comes in a variety of colors of purples, whites, pinks. This is actually a white one. It doesn't have the flowers on it yet. I'm going to try to get pictures of these when they are flowering so you can see what they look like. This is a daylily. Daylilies are another thing that look like grass or weeds. They're a mounding annual. They get usually about 2 to 3 feet tall. This is bearded tongue. This is what the leaves look like when they are small. They're another mounding annual. They will get tall spikes with white flowers on them. The spikes are usually 2 to 3 foot tall. This is a coneflower, and they're also called echinacea. These have a pointed leaf with veins. I know it's hard to see with cell phone video. I'm trying to get a better view. Alright, this is what they look like. That's another mounding perennial. They will get purple, pink, or white, sometimes orange or red flowers on them, depending on the variety that you purchase. I think that's what I'm going to end with for this segment because it takes quite a while for these to upload on the internet. If you like what you see, please subscribe to my page. Thank you. Bye.